What are the economic benefits of using Reviver? The device that restores and extends the lifespan of lead-acid batteries by removing lead sulfate crystals. Let's analyze the cost savings of using batteries for a longer period of time with Reviver installed on various devices, such as forklifts, golf carts, and electric wheelchairs. First, let's talk about forklifts. The price for a set of forklift batteries can be quite expensive. Based on a 48 volts, 450 ampere-hour battery, the price of a new battery is $3,900 USD. Assuming that the battery is used every day with a DOD of 50%, the expected lifespan is about 4 years. Within 10 years of use, we need to replace the battery in the 4th and 8th year. If we have to replace 3 sets of batteries within 10 years of use, the total cost would be $11,700 USD. On the other hand, if Reviver is installed on a new battery from the beginning, extending its lifespan by 2.5 times, and the usage time of Reviver is 10 years, then the total cost is only $4,100 USD, including $3,900 USD for the battery, and $199 USD for Reviver. So the amount of money saved over a 10-year period, if Reviver is installed, and the battery is continued to be used, instead of purchasing new batteries, is $7,600 USD. So what about electric golf carts? Although golf cart batteries vary, if we take the example of 8 volts to 140 Ah batteries, the price is $1,260 USD. The average lifespan of a golf cart battery, with the same daily driving distance, is about 3 years. Therefore, for batteries will be needed over 10 years, since they need to be replaced 3 times. The cost for 4 battery sets over 10 years is $5,040 USD. If we install Reviver, the lifespan will increase by 2.5 times. The total cost for 2 battery sets and 1 Reviver is only $2,640 USD, so the cost saved by installing Reviver is $2,400 USD. Finally, let's consider the case of electric wheelchairs. Taking the example of a battery pack consisting of 2 batteries of 12 volts, 50 ampere-hour. Wheelchairs are used daily, so their lifespan decreases rapidly. On average, they can only be used for about a year. So in 10 years, we need to replace the battery 9 times, right? If so, the cost for 10 battery packs over 10 years would be up to $2,060 USD. However, if we install Reviver, we only need to replace it 4 times. The total cost for free battery packs $824 USD, and Reviver $79 USD is $903 USD. So the cost saved by Reviver over 10 years is $1,157 USD. Since the lifespan of Reviver is about 10 years, how much money can Reviver save over a period of 10 years? We have analyzed in detail each case. If we divide it by each year, Reviver helps forklift users save $760, golf cart users save $240, and wheelchair users save $115.7 USD per year. The economic benefits that Reviver brings are much greater than the cost of the product. Please note that the economic benefits of Reviver are maximized when it is installed from the beginning. The earlier you install, the more benefits you will gain, whether it's a new or used battery. How to use lead-acid batteries longer? Reviver is the answer. Why replace? Let's Reviver.